Hey guys, welcome back to SPR Garage. This is currently my storage unit because I don't quite have a actual garage to work on stuff yet. So me and my girl are trying to, or my fiance are trying to get a place of our own, and the place we're looking at has its own garage. So then I'll actually have a garage to work on this. So if you came from my other channel, Living Wild TV, over to here, you already know about this project. Anybody that is new to subscribing to this channel doesn't know much. It is, or well, you don't know at all because this is the first episode. It is the block is originally a 360 Magnum, or Mopar. It has been bored to 4.030, or 4030, whatever, however you want to say it, and stroked to, the stroke is now 4 inches, so this is now a 408 stroker, and I plan to put it in a Plymouth Duster if I can find one and happen to have the money to buy it. But yeah, flat top pistons with 5cc valve reliefs, and then I can't quite remember the at 50 thousandths tappet lift what the camshaft is, but I know total lift on both lobes is 480. I know that's not saying much, but oh well. That's just a finishing kit. And today I'm going to be installing all of that and putting the cylinder heads on, which are somewhere. One's sitting right there in the chair, and then another one's over in a chair over there somewhere. But I'm going to put you on the tripod and start doing some of this, and I'll probably walk through some of it because I don't know if any of you have built an engine before. This is actually my very first engine build, and I'm hoping I don't screw anything up. I'm trying to watch as many tutorial videos and how-tos. So yeah, but like I said, gonna put you on the tripod and I'm gonna go to work. Alright, I figured I'd bring you over. I know it's not very far into the process, but I'm just gonna show you what I have done so far. I wiped off the deck because there was a little bit of stuff on it. And these are ARP head studs from TrickFlow. And I know a lot of you are probably wondering why I went with head studs. Well, I'm wanting to overbuild the engine to possibly underpower it. I'm not sure. I don't know how much power I'm going to make through this. The engine shop that I had do over the engine block told me that with the setup that I have with the camshaft, the heads, and the pistons, that it's possible I'll make 500, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to hold this engine to that because, again, it's my first engine build. I don't know what it's going to do. But yeah, and then I'm gonna bring you over to the head gaskets and show you that. These are Cometic head gaskets. Their compressed thickness is 0.051, and so 51 thousandths, I believe. I have a hard time with my decimals, so I could be wrong. But anyway, they're pretty good. I am going to go with these. I had ordered other gaskets that were thicker, but I think I'm just going to go ahead with these because I plan to run this engine off of E85 possibly, and a higher compression ratio is better, because the other head gaskets I have are 0.092. They're thick as hell, and I don't really want to use them if I don't have to. And the only reason I got those was to lower the compression ratio so I could use pump gas. But a buddy of mine at work that also is into cars, and he actually does drag racing, told me to try E85. So and I looked it up, and it's actually not a bad idea. So I'm going to try to do that. But I'm going to start putting these on, and then I'll probably put on one cylinder head and then show you the other one. So we'll go with that. But yeah, back to the tripod you go. So glad I noticed this before I started fully like torquing the heads down or anything, but I about forgot to put the lifters in, which are Howard's cams, hydraulic rollers. I'm glad I remembered that, or else I would be pulling the heads right back off. Alrighty. So I will be doing that before I put on the cylinder heads. So, yeah. Back to the tripod, since I had to take you off anyway, because the camera battery was dying. And we are back. And wow, there was an echo. Well, I am in a metal building. But, no. I've got that side torqued down. I'm going to be doing that side next. But, these are, come on, Trick Flows, 190cc intake runners, 60cc combustion chamber. These are the only ones that I was able to find that are actually, well, better than, say, the Elderbrock ones, because the Elderbrock ones were the only ones I could find until these popped up. And I'm now noticing something that's weird and odd. These two studs aren't sticking out enough to even thread anything on. That's weird. Why is that like that? Huh. If somebody knows, please leave it down in the comments, because I don't know if I like that. Actually, I don't like that because it doesn't leave much. That doesn't leave anything. Like, there's not enough there to eat. Like, the washer is going to cover up most of the freaking threads. So, what is that even going to... Huh. Interesting. Because, like, all these are nicely... Like, they were all long enough and perfect. But... I don't know why those two are like that. I'm gonna get back to you on that. Okay. First off, say hi to my buddy Zach. Where are you? There you are. And those two bolts that I was talking about, this one and oh, that one's gone. Oh, that's because the threads were stripped off it as I was trying to torque it. Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm an idiot. It was my first engine build. And I'm stupid, and I know how to do things proper next time. Because I have engine builds that I want to do on this channel, but when I watch these back, it makes me cringe. Anyway, back to the video. I got one side done at least, which looks nice. The Harlan Sharp shaft rockers, full roller rocker, and well, shaft roller rocker. And the push rod tool I found is too long, so I need shorter push rods. So, until next time. I normally do the little end clip of me either cleaning up the shop or cleaning something, like the plastics for the four-wheeler, but these are so bad that they need explanations now, because, yeah, I was really bad. It was my first engine build. So yeah, if you're someone that does this for a living, you're going to be screaming at me. Trust me, I've learned from my mistakes.